Hi, everybody. Yeah, we're back. We're back
at the river.
At the river.
It's been raining a little bit right now, so we're thinking it's good conditions. We're both going with top water, so.
Yeah, I've got the Whopper Plopper again, and
I got the revolver, the Guggen revolver going on. This is gonna be our first time using it. And we're gonna see how it does. Let's get to it.
Let's do it. First cast, baby. Oh.
First cast.
Yeesh. Ooh, he's okay, guys. Okay.
Oh, he's not looking so hot.
Oh no.
Yeah,
something tried to eat him.
Yeah, he doesn't look good.
Let me get down there so y'all can see. That was first cast. First cast, guys. First cast. Oh shit. He's not looking good.
No, he does not look good.
I'd hold him by the lip, but he's like hooked, and I don't want it to come off.
Here, let me get you the pliers. I think we're gonna let this guy go.
Yeah, I don't want to eat that
First
one.
fish though.
First fish of the early evening bite.
Well, we didn't catch it on film or video, but oh no, he's through the eye.
So you have to.
Yeah, we're gonna eat this guy.
We're gonna keep him.
Yeah, we're
finally
gonna keep this guy.
Our first.
He's
yeah.
Somewhat decent size.
You hooked him right through the eye.
Yeah, he's through the eye, so
I can't wait.
Yeah, good thing we brought ice this time.
Yeah.
Catch, clean, cook. We're on it now.
We're on it.
We're official. So.
We've been doing crawfish. We've been doing catch, clean, cook crawfish.
But now
we're on the fish edition.
Yeah. Just so you guys know, my revolver did break off, so I'm having to use the Whopper Plopper also. Pretty upset about that, but you know, hey, look at the bright side. We're gonna be eating some fish. So.
Not the bright side for him. You hooked him. He's literally hooked through the eye, you guys. Yeah. Like, oh. You see that? Poor guy. And he's got a lip piercing. Ay, ay, ay. So Ian's he's gonna do the do off camera, because I don't know if any of you guys want to really see that. That's too much for y'all.
I don't think we're allowed to show that.
Oh, you can.
Oh, you have the pliers?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna do all this off camera because it's gonna be hard. Okay, so I found part of a fish that someone left behind, like the fish tail basically, and I hooked it on to my bait to see if maybe we could get something, but I freaking stepped in a bunch of ants and they climbed my foot and they ate my ankle, so I'm not doing so hot. Yeah, so let's see if we can catch something. Oh. Oh, what'd you get? What is that? Hold on, put my rod down.
Oh, it's a striper.
Oh, you got a little striper. Let me come down so we can see closer.
That's my first striper ever.
It's silver-ish, or like a white clear?
Yeah, it's got the lines.
Yeah, you got a striped bass. Okay. Wow, very pretty. You want to, oh, let me see if I can get a picture. As you can see, or maybe tell out Ian's window, is dark. We're done. Oh, and it's raining.
Got a few more bites, but I wasn't able to land them. Pretty upsetting, but I guess that's just another day in the life.
And the striper choked. The striped bass choked.
Yeah.
The whopper
We don't
plopper.
talk about that.
Okay.
So.
But you'll see it later. We just gotta run an errand. I don't know. Are we really gonna do it? Or are you like, how are you feeling?
We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah,
or we could run to Publix.
We got the bluegill though that I caught, so we're gonna cook that up maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to clean it, maybe let it sit in some water, and then tomorrow we'll eat it and continue the video then. But until tomorrow,
we're uphill. And oh wait, no.
That's not
we can't
the
do
end.
Because tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Good night.
2,000 years later.
I don't even know where this belongs. I'll have to find out. Hello, this is like days later, and this is the fish that we caught. This is the
all clean and in the pan.
This is the bluegill up top.
They're all bluegill.
What?
They're all bluegill.
No, this is the crusty bit. That's the best part.
You're just doing it one bite?
Oh yeah.
So well, not we. She cooked it in salt. And that's it.
I seasoned it. Yeah, I just seasoned it with salt because I want to taste it for what it is. I don't want to doctor it, and like it's your first time having it, you know? You want it to be the way it is.
So this is striped bass.
Oh, that's hot still. Oh. It's like tilapia. That tastes exactly like tilapia.
All right, now taste that one, because I tasted that one and it kind of tasted like egg to me. So I want
to. Well, this might taste like egg.
We'll just try mine.
No, you try mine. You eat your egg one.
Pin bone.
Little baby bone. Oh, multiple baby bones. Hold on. Oh yeah, see? I tend to choke on bones. Doesn't really have a flavor.
So which one was better?
I prefer the bass.
That's how I felt too, honestly. Well, there you have it, y'all.
I like bass though. I've had bass before.
Okay,
yeah.
So there you have it. That is our first catch, clean, cook. Hopefully we have some more soon in the future. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, uphill and onward.
Bye.
Every day. See you later.